Mutant, superpowered mutant.
What are you doing?
I'm making myself into a superpowered mutant.
Superpowered?
Venom spitting, stinger stinging.
Look, man, I don't know what you're mixing there, but you are just gonna end up a puddle of hair.
No, I'm going to change my DNA.
Okay, well, good luck. Wait, did you mean DNA? You're going to change your DNA?
That's what I said.
Do you know how hard it is to change DNA? DNA is a tough code to crack. The cell it's housed in has all kinds of fail-safes to keep hackers out.
All right, hit me. I'm plugged in and ready to break the code.
I doubt it, but okay. DNA tells the body how to make the proteins that make us. Each unit of code is 3 letters long, but the last letter doesn't always matter. Think of it like a silent E. Sometimes you need it to get the right word, but not always. That means you can change a letter in the code and still end up just like you are.
But it could change something, right?
Sure, but you're not gonna get flashy changes that way.
Ooh, what about deleting a letter? I bet that'll get flashy changes.
Oh, it will give you changes called a frame shift mutation, making all the codes wrong and creating chaos.
Oh, sweet! Frame shift mutation it is.
More like this.
Well, how'd the viper get its venom? Or the scorpion get its stinger? Or the baboon get its red butt?
They probably got their powers the hard way. Lots of small mutations over a long time. Take the scorpion. Its venom might have started out as a duplication code that doesn't really have a purpose, and it's left to go wild. So maybe it mutates again and produces a protein that is a little more toxic. That could happen again and again until the venom is really nasty.
That's exactly what I want.
Well, even if that kind of change was possible, it's something that only your great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandkids would get to enjoy.
Oh, sweet.